Hey there, I'm Rachel. If you're looking to make extra income without extra qualification, without extra experience, then here are 5 online typing jobs that you can do from anywhere in the world. And you can start right now from the comfort of your home. I'll show you where to go and I'll show you how you can get started. You can make an easy 29 bucks an hour and even much more if you put in the work. Now, making money online is what I love to talk about in all of my videos week after week. So if you like my content, I would be so happy if you hit the like and hit the subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's dive into number 1 typing job online, and that is Scribie.com, one of the main big websites where you can find a lot of online typing jobs. So you simply go to Scribie.com and you will see freelance transcriptions. You can work at your convenience, earn from $5 to $20 per audio hour. And they provide automated transcriptions, saving you up to 60% of typing effort and time. And that is so true. If there's an automated text already there, all you need to do is go through it and edit it. It saves you a lot of time and effort. There is a bonus amount of money that you get after you've done 3 hours per month. So that's definitely worth saying. You simply click Get Started, you fill out the application, and that's it. The work you do is listening to an audio or a video file, and you type it out word by word. That's it. Nothing else. You get paid by PayPal. The files are short, from 1 minute to 10 minutes, and pretty much all you need is a keyboard, internet to send your work, and your fingers to type. That's it. The second online typing job is Rev.com. It's one of the biggest, well-known, especially amongst YouTubers. They use a lot of Rev.com for their transcriptions. They need transcriptions or captions or subtitles, and so they go to Rev.com. Now, I have to say that Rev.com does not accept applications from all the countries around the world. However, the good news is if you know a foreign language, like me, then you can still apply for subtitles. I think that's brilliant. The countries they accept applications for is US, Canada, UK, Ireland, most of them in the world. So if that's you, then click on subtitles and apply there. According to Rev, freelancers earn from $245 per month up to more than $1,400 per month. And the more effort you put into it, the more money you make. It's that easy. There is a lot of information on their website. You get to choose your video, your audio files, what's the difference between transcription or subtitles or captions. They pay you with PayPal. The third one is called freelancer.com, one of the biggest websites when it comes to freelancing, and it has so much more than just online typing jobs. I want to know from you though, are you a freelancer? Are you doing other jobs in freelancing? If you can comment below what it is that you do or what you're interested in, then maybe I can make more videos about another specific online job. Let me know in the comments. I would love to know more about you and where you're at in your freelance freedom career and journey. Freelance.com, if you look at their website, they have 900 job categories. So that means a whole list of jobs. Now you can see that you can filter here by skill or by language. If you filter by skill, you can see SEO, writing, website design. Then if you look at writing, you can see ghostwriting, article, other. My gosh, there's so much you can do. There's content, there's copywriting, there's transcribing, there's translations. There is a whole list of to-dos and jobs that you can earn money from. The prices are always visible on every job. You can earn from $7 to way over $1,000. And how you get started is really you look for jobs. All of the details are there, the prices as well. You filter, you find a job, and then you put a bid. That's how it works. So the client then selects you, you do the job, and you get paid. The website pays you through PayPal, Payoneer, International Wire, and Skrill. And I also want to say that if you communicate with a client and you need some ideas on how to write a strong cover letter or a strong communication or application or motivational letter to your client, I have made a video that gives you a free template to show you exactly step by step what is a strong cover letter, and I'll put the link of that right below in the description and in the comments. The fourth website is called GoTranscript. GoTranscript is another great one for transcriptions, obviously, where you can make a lot of money for. They will pay you with PayPal. You can make, look, on average, the competitive rates you can see on the website, 150 up to 1215 from top earners. You listen to audio or video and you get paid. What I like is that they have great resources on their website and they have great customer support. So any technical issue, any issue with a client or payment issue, any question that you have, you just message them and they reply. So simply click apply, fill in the details, get verified, get started, and earn money. The fifth online typing job is Upwork. Upwork has a lot of online typing jobs, but a lot more than that, and all kinds of jobs. And for me, it's been amazing. If I need some extra cash, some quick cash, I go to Upwork, get some projects, get some clients, and boom. And I made an easy over $10,000 at this point from Upwork only. So if you look at typing jobs and you click that in, you will see a whole list of possibilities, a wide range of typing jobs online, from converting PDF into Word, retyping documents, edits, blogs, translations, transcriptions, audio, videos, interviews. There's so much to do, and the rates, they vary from 9 to over 100 or even over 200, mostly per hour, but there are also a lot of projects on Upwork that give you one project. So here are 5 documents or 5 files, and then they pay you one price, a fixed price, so not an hourly rate. If you want to know how you can get more clients easily, what hourly rate to set, how to set your profile to maximize clients and money, then you have to go and watch this next video where I take you through it step by step. I'll see you right there.